So guys, I'm gonna teach you a few alphabets. Before we start, guys, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel because I like subscribing to our channel. And please tap the bell too. So let's start. A is for apple. S is for sun. Y is for yo-yo. W is for whale. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U.
Show them.
Q is for queen. N is for milk. K is for kite.
Louder.
J is for kite. I is for igloo. A, B, C. C is for cat.
Show them.
O is for octopus.
How about the C?
C is for cat. And what's this? A, B, C, D, E. E is for eggs. What? The back different color. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G is for grapes. And H is for hat.
Can I see the H?
H is for hat. So that's it, guys. So I hope you learned something today. Bye! And don't forget to like my video and subscribe. Bye! Potty. And even like our video. I love you all. Bye! See you in my next lesson. Bye! And now can I party you? And now can I party you?